Sanibonani, welcome back to enye video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for coming. Please kindly subscribe to your sister's channel. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ufike ulike ne video, ushare ne video as well. So kule video asikhulumeni ke ngamaphoyisa amathathu okuthiwa ke anyamalele and then amaphoyisa acela usizo ke kwabangabe bewabonile lamaphoyisa amathathu alahlekile. So ngisibone kakhulu lesi story kuwo wonke ama publications bafethu they're talking about these are 3 police officers. So constables, they are saying constables. Angazi bafethu kuthiwa ke bebesohambe noluthile and then ababonakali, so abafikanga la ade beyakhona and then abaphindanga babuya from la ade besuka khona, which means kukhona mhlambe okubi okwenzekile. I mean, where did they go? You know what I mean? So kufuna amaphoyisa amathathu alahlekile. This is the story futhi ephepheni by Nonkululeko Nhlapo. Amaphoyisa alahlekile, constable ethi ngibone ukuthi uCommissioner wamaphoyisa kakuzwelonke ke ubaba uGeneral Fanele Masimula ucela usizo ke kumalungu omphakathi ukuze kutholakala ke uConstable abathathu abalahlekile. So laba bathathu abesifazana ababili nowesilisa oyedwa ke uConstable uCebekhulu Linda ona 24, Constable Giamukhetsi eBhais ona 30 no Constable Boipilo Asnoge ona 20. They are all very young guys, like 30, 20 and 24. Bebehamba ke ngemoto yohlobo lwe-VW emhlophe besuka eBloemfontein beya ke endaweni abasebenzela kuyona ngaseLimpopo. So kunethombe zabo bafethu ngizothanda ukuzilahlela on my screen. Kuthiwa ke kucela usizo bafethu kuthola ke labathathu bangamaphoyisa and ababonakali. Na indawo yabo yokugcina ke eyaziwayo bekuse garage ela kwa engine eduze kwase, is it Grasmere or Grasmere Toll Plaza ku N1 ngolesithathu. Kushuthi bekunge-23 ka-April bagcina ukubonakala kuleyo ndawo. So imshini yokuthi ungathi izimoto okanye namaselula beyivaliwe kusukela ngelanga abaduka ngalo. Inombolo yabo yokubhaliswa kwemoto ithi JCL 401FS. Now sekusungulwe ke isikhungo sokusebenza sendawo yamahora angama 24. I do not know futhi uphenyo ke olunzulu liyaqhubeka ke nethimba labaseshi bezinga eliphezulu kanye ke nabasebenzi bophiko lwezobuholi umhlambe lozobunhloli abavele Gauteng nase Freystata ke bahlanganiswe ukuze kuthi batholakale laba bathathu. It's so sad amalungu abengekho emsebenzini ngaleso sikhathi futhi awazange afike lapho abejujele khona. So kunxuswa ke noma ke ngubani ongaba nolwazi ukuthi ashayele umphenyi wecala uCaptain Chacha Manga enambeni ebhaliwe and then wow isabsiyona ukuthi iyaphenya ke icala lokuduna imoto kanye nokuthumba. So ngisibone everywhere lesi story ngizothanda ukuthi siye ngale ka, is this the Sowetan? I think see everywhere anyways, but ngizothanda ukuthi ngisilande ka Sowetan, of course. This Sowetan live, they're talking about the missing police as well. Lakawanda ngabe kwenzekeni ngabo bafethu abafikanga la kade bekhona futhi abaloko bengabonakali. So ithi ngiye kancane kulolo daba ke ngesingisi. Police need assistance finding 3 missing Free State cops. Ibalubhale kanjalo ka Sowetan, but bona police have asked the public to be on the lookout for 3 police constables who have been missing since Wednesday. So in a statement on a Saturday, National Police Commission Brigadier Athlenda Mate said the 2 women and a man, 30-year-old Giamukhetsi Bhais, 20-year-old Boipilo Asnoge and 24-year-old Cebekhulu Linda were traveling in a white VW Polo sedan from Bloemfontein to their area of deployment in Limpopo, where they went missing. Their last known location was in the engine garage. Babhale futhi njengoba sifundile laphana, and then babhala ke ne tracking device yabo njengoba sizwile. A 24-hour venue operational center has been established and a full-scale search is underway with a high-level team of detectives and crime intelligence operators from Gauteng and the Free State. So wasebechaza ke nokuthi the members were off duty at the time and did not make it to their area of deployment. Anyone who may have the information may please help. You guys, like, I wonder ukuthi kwenzekeni ngabo. Shame man, you guys. This is so sad. Leso bazotholakala bephila nkosi yami. Leso bakukho kubi okungabe kubehlele besides ke yona mhlambe ukunyamalala, I mean kidnapping or something. I mean bonke bawu-3 kwacima namafoni, tracking device, yonke into nje kuthuli ukuthi kodwa bagcina ukubonakala engine garage elaphana ke kubhaliwe indawo ukuthi ikuphi leyo engine garage. Yila bagcina ukubonakala khona basebengayifika-ke la kade beyakhona. So wazi bani ukuthi kwenzakeleni with this. They are very young, 20, 24, 30, basasebancane bafu. You wonder what happened. Shame man, you guys. Leso bazotholakala ngemthandazo ke bafowethu. Ngiyabonga ukuthi ubuka ivideo, ulike, usubscribe, ushare ke. Sibonane kwesayo. Bye.